New bocad feature. Direct AVEVA E3D Design integration in bocad eliminates the need for conversion steps, saving you hours. The latest bocad release introduces direct database exchange with AVEVA E3D Design, eliminating the need for IFC or other neutral file formats, nor reviewing external application. Structural models can now be instantly loaded from bocad into AVEVA E3D Design as native elements with full geometry, profiles, cats and specs, lexicon attributes, and metadata managing holes penetration, assembly planning, and work packs. This direct connection eliminates the need for manual exports, reduces model preparation time from hours to minutes, enabled by an immediate save work and get work. It supports bidirectional exchange and reference models to visualize AVEVA E3D Design 3D model in bocad and clash test multidiscipline with structural in bocad. The workflow also includes collaboration design commenting and fabrication status feedback. Designed for offshore and onshore plant engineering consultants and fabricators, this feature provides a fast and robust workflow between plant layout and fabrication. As an AVEVA Technology Partner and owner of bocad software, SCHULLER&Company GmbH leverage its expertise to deliver optimized solutions.